Do you live in Gloucester? Want to know why you should choose Griffin Air or another local company? We're going to talk about that right now. Hey guys, Josh with Griffin Air, serving the Middle Peninsula and the Northern Neck. Want to do a video because whether you are or are not aware, where we live is pretty unique. And what I mean by that is when it comes to heating and air conditioning equipment, there's certain things about where we live that are different than other places. So there's lots of variables to that. Being in the state of Virginia alone has its own uniqueness. There's certain times of the year where it's pretty cold, and there's certain times of the year where it's pretty warm. And being close to the water like we are, there's other variables that we have to think about and consider that other folks don't have to. Humidity and certainly air quality is something that we at Griffin Air have specialized in. It's something that we take very seriously. And I just want to do a video because whether folks realize it or not, you can't apply rule of thumb type rules that other folks can in other parts of the country to the same philosophy that we have here. Yeah, we'll even get folks that sometimes they'll say, well, I read this or that on the internet, or doesn't my air conditioner dehumidify, or why is it different for this person or that person? Why is it different for me? And there's simple answers for that. We get other folks that'll say, well, I had someone from Richmond or somewhere else install my system. How come they didn't tell me what you're telling me right now? And the answer is, it's because they just don't know. If they don't work here where we live, where things are different, it's humid here on days that are mild. Your house can feel clammy on days like that. It can get really hot or really cold sometimes. Systems that may work really well in other places they just don't fit here. So anyway, if you want to know more about what I'm talking about, if you have some questions about whether or not your system is performing as well as it should, whether your electric bill could be lower, whether your air that you're breathing could be better, then we'd love to earn your business. Give us a call, Griffin Air, 804-505-0247, or you can visit our website at griffinair.net. Thank you.